Transform your home with AI, the future of smart living. Imagine a home that knows you better than you know yourself. A place where your comfort, safety, and well-being are prioritized without you lifting a finger. Welcome to the exciting world of artificial intelligence, AI, and smart home technology. This dynamic duo is revolutionizing the way we live, making our homes not just smarter, but also more efficient and personalized than ever before. Artificial intelligence is at the heart of this transformation, enabling our homes to anticipate our needs, automate daily tasks, and create a living experience tailored just for us. As Daryl Friedman, the global president and CEO of CEDIA, the Association for Smart Home Professionals, puts it, AI is revolutionizing smart home technology. It enables systems to anticipate needs of users, automate daily tasks, and create a truly personalized living experience. With AI evolving at lightning speed, homeowners can look forward to a future filled with smarter, more connected devices, all thanks to the expertise of professional integrators who are bringing this technology to life. So, what are the key areas where AI is making waves in smart home technology? Let's dive in. 1. Personalization and automation ***. Imagine a home that learns your habits and preferences. AI-powered smart home systems can automatically adjust lighting, temperature, and entertainment settings based on your daily routine. For instance, AI-enabled thermostats can analyze your schedule to optimize comfort and energy efficiency without you having to lift a finger. 2. Health and wellness ***. Your home can also be your wellness partner. AI-integrated solutions can monitor your sleep patterns, track air quality, and even remind you to stay hydrated or take your medication. These smart systems can alert caregivers to any irregularities, such as changes in sleep patterns or mobility, ensuring that you or your loved ones are always taken care of. 3. Enhanced security ***. Safety is a top priority, and AI-powered security systems are here to help. With features like facial recognition, anomaly detection, and predictive analytics, these systems can significantly enhance your home's safety. Smart surveillance cameras can distinguish between familiar faces and strangers, reducing false alarms and providing real-time alerts. Professional smart home integrators can assess your security needs and design a customized solution that includes motion sensors, smart locks, and alarm systems, all working together seamlessly. 4. Predictive maintenance and energy optimization ***. No one likes unexpected repair bills. AI can help identify potential issues, like HVAC malfunctions, before they become costly problems. Smart energy management solutions analyze your consumption patterns and adjust usage automatically, helping you save on energy bills while being kinder to the planet. As Friedman emphasizes, AI isn't just about convenience and automation, it's about making homes safer, more efficient, and more comfortable. The future of AI-driven smart homes is bright, and with the help of professional integrators, these advancements are becoming a reality. Curious to learn more about how AI can transform your living space? Or perhaps you're looking for a certified smart home professional to guide you on this journey. Visit cedia.org/find-a-smart-home-professional and take the first step towards a smarter, more connected home.